We decided to hire professional help to do the fiberglass repair on the hull. We thought at first it was just cosmetic, but when we looked at it, we realized it definitely needed professional repair. So we didn't get a chance to film the during, but here's our new repair right here. And you can't really see much. It doesn't look that much different than the original boat, but that's good. I want it to be corresponding thickness, but it turned out to be a huge job because they wanted to make sure they did it absolutely right. And so this whole wall came off, and they have to put it back on, and they have to put all the trim pieces back on, and that will happen today. But it's always interesting to get to see inside of your boat. And we were really lucky because a lot of the boats, the access behind the walls, like this came off super easy. And this one is going back on, but it didn't come off without a fight. Here's the pretty side. So, and I'm glad I didn't get around to cleaning the bathroom yet because it's a mess. So we're going to add some extra trim pieces to make sure that that line looks beautiful and professionally done. And by we, I mean they're professionals. And then there's sometimes when you can DIY, times where I can and do DIY all the time. But there are also times where you have to not have an ego about it and say, you know what, I can't do this. And this was 3 guys working for most of the day to absolutely remove all of the damage, do the right layers. Like, I know enough about fiberglass repair now to know when people are doing a good job and when people are not, and they really did a good job. And I will show you like the finished product, but yep.